shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming, knowing tonight's so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by. Breaking rules to watch you longer. Can't look away, don't ask me why. Sometimes think I'm just imagining the way you smile up at the sky. Every month I'm getting closer to diving in. Every 30 days I'm shaking. Should I break this sacred space? My mind says I should stop this, but I can't escape. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Between duty and desire, between water and the shore, between reality and something more, something more. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? When the moon is full. Everyone's gone and the water's still, I pull out my mop, just doing my fill. But something about this space calls to me. In empty halls where no one can see, these marble floors and chandeliers been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away. Away, away. Echo off these walls till the morning calls. Let my voice take flight in the pure blue light, in the light. Found your note by the diving board, keep saying it said can't be ignored. Never knew someone heard me here. Your words make my purpose clear. Now every shift feels like a stage, and every note helps turn the page. Let it, let the watch me soar, watch me fly so, so high. floating, thinking they're bulletproof. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. Designer suits can't hide what's underneath. You swagger in with borrowed confidence. I pour your truth, watch it spill and see. Every Friday night, same performance art. Different actors wearing the same damn part. I mix your drinks while you mix your lies. Baby, I know better than your alibis. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. Oh, that wedding ring you slip in your pocket. Think I don't notice how you play the game. Your lips say burgundy, but your eyes are searching for something I won't name. 3 hours deep, masks start to crack. Designer perfume fades to black. I've seen 1,000 just like you, drowning sorrows in the blue. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. And sometimes late at night, when all the players have gone home, I pour myself a drink and face what I've become. A keeper of secrets, a judge behind wood grain. But who am I to talk? I'm still here doing the same. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. One last time. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow.